All right, guys, this is a Tech Nitwit Productions and a Tech Nitwit Videos. We're going to jump in how to install and run Fortnite. So the first thing you're going to do is open up a browser, bing, bam, boom, and you're going to type into Google Epic. Because even though we're installing Fortnite, we need to download the Epic installer. It's just like Steam. So we're going to type Epic. Should just type Epic in the top and it should come up. EpicGames.com, that's where you want to be. So you're going to end up on store, EpicGames.com, ENUS. And we're going to come over here and we want to hit download. You won't be signed into the account yet because you haven't made one, but you can download this without having to create an account. You are going to have to create an account to play Fortnite. So as we get the installer, we're going to double click on the installer or go and open and run an installer. We can close out this page. We no longer need this. We're going to install it, and you could change this depending on if your C drive doesn't have enough room. This is where you would change it. I'm going to leave it at C drive. That's where I have the most room, and I'm going to hit install. It's going to install Epic Games Launcher. You cannot find this on Steam or other platforms. It's only on Epic Games. Anything that pops up, you're going to want to hit yes, and give it a little bit. It'll verify and update its little package. It's going to download your online services stuff, which is about 400 or 500 megabytes, not including the installer, which is another 300 megabytes. So you're going to need a total of about a gig for the Epic Games installer, a little bit less than a gig. And of course, once we have the Epic Games installer installed, we are going to go to create an account. It logged me in right away, which that's not what we want. As you can see right here is where you would log in. This is the first page you're going to see because you don't have an account set up. You can use your Xbox account, PlayStation account, Nintendo Steam account, which it seems like it'll link your Steam, Facebook, Google, Apple, and your Lego account. Or if you just want to, you can go and sign up and make your own account. That's how I did it way back in the day before they had everything linked. So go ahead and enter in your, once you go to, it's going to take you back to the website and it's going to have you create some stuff, verify your email, bing, bam, boom, come back here, and now you're back at this page. So once you're back at this page, go ahead and either use one of the quick logins or type your password in. So I already have this in my library, so I'm going to show you how you would go and do this if your Epic Games Launcher was fresh. So you're going to come over here and you're going to type in Fortnite and search, and then Fortnite's going to pop up right here. And then over here, see how it says in library? It's going to probably look a different color, possibly green. You're going to click this, and it's going to pull it up into your library. This is a free-to-play game. You don't have to spend any money. And then we're going to click on this thing that says install. And right here, we can choose where we want to install this. So if I hit browse, I can come to my C drive or this PC, and I could choose the local disk D or C. C has my most room, so I'm just going to leave it default to where it has it. Also, auto update is going to automatically update the game when you're away and you have the PC up and running. Create a shortcut. It's going to put a shortcut on the desktop for a Fortnite icon, so you don't have to open Epic Games. You could just click that icon and go right into Fortnite. All right, we're going to hit install. And it's going to have you sign your life away to an end user license agreement. Go ahead and hit I accept. And then we are going to get the Windows admin thing, and we're going to hit yes. If this is the first time you install Epic Games, you might have to go into Windows Firewall, depending on how your stuff's set up, and link, or not link, but allow Epic Games and Fortnite to run. All right, guys, so after the game gets done, we can go ahead and hit launch. And it's going to have you install the Easy Anti-Cheat service, which you're going to want to hit yes. And then Fortnite's installed and up and running. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe.